Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Redis cache with Node and Express, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have Node.js and npm installed on your machine. Open your terminal and create a new directory for your project. Navigate into the newly created directory. Run the command npm init to initialize a new Node.js project. Next, install Express by running npm install Express. Now, install the Redis client for Node.js using npm install Redis. In this project directory, create a new file named server.js. Open server.js in your code editor. Require the Express module at the top of the file. Next, create an instance of an Express application. Set a port number for your application, typically 3000. Now, require the Redis module as well. Create a Redis client instance using redis.createClient. To handle any connection errors, add an error event listener on the Redis client. Define your first route using the get method. In the route handler, set the response type to JSON. Add a sample response to test the server. Now, set up Redis to store and retrieve data. Use the Redis client to set a key value pair from within the route handler. Then, use the Redis client to get that value and send it in the response. Start your server by calling the applisten method. Open your web browser and navigate to your localhost URL with the specified port. You should see your test response displayed. To test the Redis functionality, refresh the page. You should notice the data being served from the Redis cache. If you encounter any issues, check the Redis server status. You can start the Redis server by running Redis server in a new terminal window. This completes the setup of Redis cache with Node and Express. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.